welcome to my channel. Today we are making some mouth-watering chicken wings. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and get your family to subscribe so that y'all can all join me in the next video. As always, these are only guidelines so that you can make this recipe yours. Now let's get started. For this recipe, you will need paprika, salt, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, and this is what it looks like. 2 lemons and 1 lime, and chicken wings. The first thing I do is remove any of the leftover feathers and then give the chicken wings a rinse. I also remove this, it looks like a nail. I just cut it off. You could cut this part right here so that way it doesn't shrivel up whenever you're cooking it, or leave it just as it is. It's up to you. I'm going to do both ways so that I can show you what the difference is. So I cut this part and then I pull till I hear the bones crack. Now I'm going to rinse them. And try to squeeze as much water off of the wings as possible. Now we're going to mix everything in a bowl. So add 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika. The lemon and lime juice, this is about 1/3 of a cup. And now we're going to use our hands to mix everything together. Now we're going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. If you don't have time, you can just go ahead and put them in the oven or grill them. After 1 hour, take out the wings and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Right here I have a baking sheet and I lined it with foil for easy cleanup because I hate washing the dishes. Let me know in the comments below what your least favorite chore is. I also put a cooling rack. If you don't have this, that's fine. Just check the chicken wings halfway through to make sure they're not burning. Now I'm going to place the wings on there and wait for the oven to preheat. So now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to leave them in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is what they look like. I'm going to check the temperature and verify that the juices are running clear to make sure they're done. My chicken wings are done, and if yours are ready, go ahead and take them out. I like to have them a little bit more roasted, so I'm going to turn on the broiler. I'm going to put the broiler on high and I'm going to check it to make sure they don't burn because they were already looking really good. After 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. If you did not use the baking rack, then all of the black stuff right there would have stuck to your chicken, causing it to burn. Here's the difference between the chicken wings that we did not cut and the wings that we did cut. These look like they're a lot more evenly roasted. Either way, both of them are good. And the only thing left to do is heat up some tortillas and enjoy.